Mike Christner here with HD Pocket Doors. Today we're taking a look at our new setup with our pocket door gate. So you've got your soft close, soft open. The door will cantilever across the opening. You can keep your little buddy on the other side. Come on, Toby. Come here, Toby. You can also have a pocket door on the other side too. See this one? You can have a pocket door sliding from one side, and then you can have the dog gate that slides over from the other side. Well, come join us. Come on, Toby. Let's go. Mike Christner, HD Pocket Doors. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channels and follow along if you want to see more.